Hello guys, welcome back inside my studio, and today I will be presenting to you another video with the help of my secret box. So with the secret box I have to close my eyes and see if I can pick an awesome Lego. And today, I don't know which one we're going to do, but I think it's going to be like kind of like snowy or something. I don't know. Probably. Now I'm gonna close my eyes and pick it. One fell. Have you seen it good? Have you seen it? Is it snowy? That's my guess. I don't know who it is, but I'm here. Hey, it's snowy, and it is the Scout truck. This is recommended for 7 to 12, and I am 10, so it's good for me. And basically what we have here is the Scout truck. We've got 3 minifigures. One's a biologist and 2 are drivers. Then we've got a dog figure, which is also called as a husky if you live in Iceland. And here, Greenland, not Iceland. And here we've got a polar bear figure. And we've got the bicycle and the thing. And at the back, it shows that you can bring this Lego set vehicle to life if you buy the Boost Build Code and Play, which you just use like an iPad that we've got, and you just move it, so move the thing, and we've got the set. So if you want to, you can just comment down below and say if you want to do that video, and we'll buy it and do it for you. So we've got like a little hatch place so that the equipment that they've got can go there, and the bike can also slide through there. It's got like a hacking table to see what it is and stuff. It's got a track at the bottom, so you can slide it down, the cart down. And here we've got him looking out some binoculars. And yeah, it's also got some lights that don't work, an antenna, a cave, and also a place where you can use like this screw, it's one of those things that diggers use, like those things. You have to dig out the treasure and you have to guess where the mosquito is, because the mosquito is the most important thing, just like in Jurassic World when they make the dinosaur come alive. So why not? Let's get building. And this, sorry, this has 322 pieces. Sorry, I forgot, but let's get building. Our awesome Scout truck, but as you can see, there is no Scout truck. Let's just move it. Oh. So inside this awesome scout truck, we've got a man, a wolf, or a husky. We've got the car that can slide inside, and if you do that, it'll slide back down, ready for another adventure. So now we've got this thing done, but the last thing we have to show you is the camera, the phone for help, and a very, very cool thing is this, which we'll be showing you later. But at the moment, what we'll be showing you, if my mum moves the camera up here, or I just move it. Oh, you're gonna move the camera. There's a man, and the biologist, is there, and he's doing some samples for the ice that we're going to show you over here, and we've got the woman actually driving it. And if we get him out, but not the woman, just him, the other boy, and we slide this out of the way, this person can hold this, and he can like drill it. Let's see if we got the mosquito. Because the aim of the game here is you have to get the mosquito. I'm just gonna pick the other one. The mosquito! We got it. We got it. Oh yeah. And there's these little lights. I think they're for preparation. But as you can see, guys, I put some this so it makes it a bit more icy and fun. And then here we've got like a little hole inside the cotton wool that you can't see, where the polar bear can come out. So it can be like one day, like this man, he is doing another video for, like, if you watch like natural history or something, then you'd know what I'm talking about. Like the old biologist that says in the tundra, like that, okay? Yeah, I watched that those videos. I need to move this guy here because you couldn't see it. And we have to put this guy there. We'll just put him there. And just pretend there's a normal person doing this out of nowhere, and then a polar bear comes in. And there's a polar bear figure. It looks up and down. And yeah. And then if we get everyone inside, everyone meeting, bike, so the bicycle can go up and down the ramp, as I told you before. This one will go there, ramp thing will go up there, doggy will, look, I'm placing it randomly right now, and if we get the bike inside, okay, camera, oh no, the polar bears, no! That take that. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. We'll see you all next time. Bye. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you because I can't remember that well, but I wanted to say a happy new year for all of you watching my videos, and thank you so much for nearly aiming the 100 subscribers. I know all of you out there, thank you so much. And another thing I wanted to tell you is that I have done another of this, which you can check out from one of my own videos. And when I get lots and lots of these, I might be doing an animation, so don't forget to check that out when it's released. And yeah, so I've done a little bit of changes with this because, you know, this and this. I thought, why not this up here and this down here? And this is going to be the photo. So if you're like, wait, well, this wasn't in the other video, just so you know, this is going to be the cover. Okay, see you guys. Bye.